Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Biscuit, and today's video is going to be how to do a set of nails, but basically how to apply nail tips and how to shape. So we will be doing stiletto nails today. So this is my client, which is actually my sister-in-law. So she is letting me do her nails because her birthday is coming up on the 24th of January. So we decided that we will go ahead and do her nails. So as you see me doing it right now, I am sizing her hands for the nail tips. And what you want to do is when sizing, you want to make sure that the nail actually fits from sidewall to sidewall. Because if you put a nail tip on there that's too small, it will cause lifting. So that's basically what you see me doing. And what you can do instead of doing it this way, but I like to have all of my nail tips laid out, is you can, once you find the nail tip, just glue it on. But me, I like to go through each one and make sure that I have the correct size for the nail. So now as you see me doing it, I did do one hand, so I am basically doing this other hand here, and I am applying her nail tips. And the glue that I'm using is the Kiss glue. That is the one that I always use. Doesn't matter which brand of nail glue you use, as long as it holds the nail in place. So now what I'm doing here is cutting down the nail tips to the size that my client likes. And of course, when you're doing stilettos, just a little tip here, even though they may want them shorter, cut them longer, because once you trim the sides off and you're going to do I shouldn't say you're going to do all this filing, but when you start to file, they will get shorter. So even though the client wants shorter nails, just do them long, because you're going to end up snipping the ends. And not only that, when you file, it's going to get shorter as well. So I'm just right here, I'm matching up my fingers together to make sure that everything looks even. And then after that, I am going to cut down the nail tips to get the shape of the stiletto. So as I said before, this is the reason why you cut down the nails long, is because you're going to end up trimming off the sides anyway. And then once you start to file, it's going to get shorter because it's going to take the shape of a stiletto. So that is the only reason why I said that. But enjoy the rest of the footage of me snipping the ends to get the shape. And also you could use this way, like I'm cutting right now, for coffin nails. So you'll see videos shortly from me regarding the coffin nails. So as you see me right here, I am shaping the nails. And when you're shaping nails, you want to make sure that you split the filing even. So do one side, then come back and do another side. So you don't want to always focus on one side of the nail because you'll get uneven filing. So make sure that you are putting care towards both sides of the nail to get it even. So in this clip, I'm just buffing out the nails just to make sure that we got a even transition between the natural nail and the artificial nail. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.